Mula rito sa Batangas State University, the National Engineering University Alangilan Campus, kasama ang CurioCEty programmers, i-abisali na yan!
Is it working? Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Ayan! Hi! Hello! Hola! Konnichiwa! Welcome to our group's final project in computer programming. As we kick things off, let's run the system. Much like civil engineering, where stability is key, this program is built to support the journey of an aspiring engineer, from checking their high school background to managing construction materials.
Firstly, may brief introduction muna tayo. Of course, with the core of civil engineering, its background and the foundation that had made it standing up to this day. Some of the responsibilities and projects are also shown on the next part of the program. Parang pasuyap pa sa kung ano ang paparating. We then tackle the prerequisites. We created a logic gate that determines if a student is ready for the BS Civil Engineering course. The user's senior high school strand is required so that the program can assess whether they're on the right track or not.
The core logic here uses an if-else control structure. If you enter STEM, the program flags you as directly qualified. If you enter GAS or TVL, it warns you about the bridging programs needed for math and physics. And for non-aligned strands like UMS, it advises on the remedial classes required. This simulates a real-world admissions system, filtering data based on specific conditions. Next, some of the stepping stones are shown on how to become a registered civil engineer. Of course, mas magandang rehistrado, huwag tayo sa illegal. Nag-run ka lang ng code, registered civil engineer ka na.
Once admitted, what does the future hold? The next part of our code provides an introduction to the field. We didn't just want a messy list for the job opportunities. We utilized string formatting. Para naka-table ba? Malinis? Mabango?
By using F-strings with padding, we created a perfectly aligned table. This lists roles like structural engineer and urban planner, alongside their descriptions. It transforms raw text into a clean, readable database.
Now, let's move on to the most complex part of the code, the Civil Engineering Materials Database. We started with a raw list containing duplicates. We used the set function to filter this down to unique items only. Then, we built a massive logic block using a for loop. This loop iterates through every unique materials and assigns it a dictionary, containing its type, common use, and properties. This effectively turns a simple list into a smart database.
To make this interactive, we wrap the whole system in a while-true loop. This creates a menu that keeps running until the user decides to exit. You can view all materials, group them by starting letter, or even filter them by purpose.
For example, if I select option 2, the code lists and sorts all the materials alphabetically. It demonstrates how Python can sort and query data instantly.
Of course, we want to be sentimental. Ang hirap kayang gawin nito. Before this code draws to a close, we, the members, decided to share some of our insights and thoughts about the field na in somewhat could help answer questions na minsan and even now ay tinatanong pa rin ng ilan sa kanilang mga sarili.
To wrap up, this project wasn't just about printing text. It was about structure. We used conditionals to filter user qualifications, formatting to present professional data, and dictionaries and loops to manage a complex inventory system.
Civil engineering is about organizing resources to build structures. Python is about organizing logic to build solutions. This program bridges those two worlds. Thank you for accompanying us. Padayon sa atin. See you next time. Bye!